If you want to work with AI in 2026, learning random programming languages won't help. Today I'll break down the top AI programming languages actually in demand and what each one is used for. Before we start, one important thing. There is no single best AI language. Different AI problems need different tools. This list is about where each language fits in the AI ecosystem in 2026. Let's dive in. First one is Python, the backbone of AI. If AI had a default language, it would be Python. Well, why Python dominates? First, it is used everywhere, be it machine learning, deep learning, or data science. Second, the ecosystem is massive. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and Pandas are all built for Python. Third, the syntax is simple. You can experiment faster, iterate quicker, and get results without fighting the language. You will use Python for training machine learning and deep learning models, prototyping AI ideas, data preprocessing and analysis, and both research and production workflows. Here's the thing, the vast majority of AI and ML listings explicitly require Python more than any other language. It is not even close. If you're starting with AI, Python is still the safest bet, period. Next is JavaScript and TypeScript. This is where AI meets the web. AI doesn't live in isolation, it lives inside apps, and that is where JavaScript and TypeScript shine. JavaScript runs everywhere. Browsers, servers, IoT devices, it is the language of the web. TypeScript adds type safety and reliability, which matters when you are building large AI-powered applications that need to scale. Think about it. AI-powered web applications, front-end interfaces for chatbots and copilots, connecting AI APIs to real users, server-side AI logic using Node.js. If you want users to actually interact with your AI, you will touch JavaScript or TypeScript. That is the bridge between models and humans. Next comes Java, Enterprise AI Workhorse. Java isn't flashy, it is not trendy, but it is everywhere in large organizations. Java has a mature ecosystem, strong performance, and it is deeply embedded in enterprise systems. You will find Java when AI features are integrated into large backend systems, when processing big data with tools like Hadoop and Spark, when building distributed AI pipelines, and when working with legacy systems that need AI capabilities. If AI is running inside banks, telecoms, or legacy enterprise systems, Java is often involved. Not exciting, but absolutely essential at scale. Next comes C++ for performance-critical AI. C++ is not beginner-friendly, but it is crucial under the hood. Well, why C++ matters? There are two words: extremely fast. It gives you fine-grained memory control, which is critical when milliseconds matter. C++ powers robotics, autonomous vehicles, game AI, real-time inference systems, and core components of AI framework themselves. Here's the thing, frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, their performance-critical parts are written in C++. You probably won't start your AI journey with C++, but many AI systems depend on it internally. It is the engine under the hood. Next is Rust, for safe and fast systems AI. Rust is gaining serious attention for combining performance with safety. It offers comparable speed to C++, but with strong memory safety guarantees. No more seg faults, no more memory leaks. That matters when you are building infrastructure that can't afford to crash. Rust is appearing in high-performance AI services, infrastructure around AI models and systems where reliability is absolutely critical. Rust is especially attractive if you are going into AI infrastructure roles. It is the modern alternative to C++ for systems programming. Next comes Go, for scalable AI infrastructure. Go is designed for one thing: simplicity and scalability. Well, why Go fits into AI infrastructure? Because of easy concurrency. Handling thousands of requests is straightforward with Go. Strong networking support built right in. Clean deployment story that is single binary, no dependencies. Go often powers model-serving APIs, AI microservices, MLOps tools, and cloud-based AI systems. Here's the key insight. Go often powers the systems around AI models, not the models themselves. It is the plumbing that makes AI production ready. Next is SQL, the data foundation. AI runs on data and SQL is still how most structured data is accessed. SQL is essential because AI models need clean, well-organized data, and most business data, it still lives in relational databases. You will use SQL for data extraction and transformation, feature generation for models, analytics for AI systems, and understanding what data you even have. SQL isn't optional, it is a core AI skill. If you can't get the data, you can't train the model. Next is R, for statistics and research. R focuses heavily on statistical analysis. Well, why R still matters? Answer is simple. It is excellent for data exploration. Strong visualization tools, ggplot2 is still unmatched. Widely used in research and academia. R shines in statistical modeling, exploratory data analysis, and research-driven AI work. It is less common in production applications but powerful in analysis-heavy environments. Think of pharma, biotech, and academia.